Okay, today I'm going to show you how to do the half double crochet slip stitch and also how to work into the third loop of that stitch. So right here you can see where we've got this nice knit looking stitch. That is the half double crochet slip stitch. All right. It doesn't add a lot of height to your work, but it does add a really nice texture. So I'm going to show you how to do that first. Okay, I'm going to start by chaining one, then I turn my work and I'm going to work into the front and back loops of the row that I've already worked. I yarn over, insert my hook, pull up a loop and pull through the two loops on my hook. Yarn over, insert my hook, pull up a loop and pull through. Okay, one more time, yarn over, insert hook, pull up a loop and pull through. All right, so you can see that's what it looks like, and this is what it looks like on the back with that third loop sticking out. Okay, let me quickly work this whole row up. All right, there we have a whole row of half double crochet slip stitches. Okay, now I'm going to work my next row into the third loop. So you'll see the third loop is really sticking out quite a bit on your wrong side. So this shows you where to work into. You're not going to work into these front loop and back loop stitches because we want those to push forward on the right side of our work. Okay, so I'm going to chain one and then I'm going to work alternating half double crochet slip stitches because that's what I used in the Uplift Beanie that's attached to this tutorial. All right, so it can be hard to catch that third loop, so I often grab it with my index finger and slide my hook under. If that's easy for you, you can do that too. If that's challenging or if you have a better method that works for you, do whatever works. All right, so I just want to quickly show you that I haven't worked into my front and back loops. I'm only working into this third loop. Okay. All right, for the very first half double crochet slip stitch that you've made, it can be a little tricky to find that third loop. So you kind of have to dig for it, but it's there. You just have to look a little harder. All right? And there you go. So you can see that this adds a really nice contrasting texture to your stitches. And although the Uplift Beanie uses this in turned rounds, it still applies the same way to turned rows. So I hope you enjoy these stitches together, and you can find a link to the Uplift Beanie in the description. Thanks.